Today you're going to learn 2 new flourishes to add to your arsenal. I'd highly recommend that you've mastered your OB anti-spin and everything in my level 2 flourish tutorial, links below.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to do a spinning flourish. So all this involves is a regular figure 8, an OB anti-spin, and a reverse figure 8. Breaking it down, we start with the regular figure 8. Start turning when you go into the OB anti-spin. Once you're here, bring your saber up to a reverse figure 8. As you're finishing the reverse figure 8, spin to your left and go into the regular figure 8. And then you can loop it. Here, spin, regular figure 8.
So if we really want to break this thing down, by the second loop of your figure 8, start to turn. Continue to turn during the OB anti-spin. Then by the end of the reverse figure 8, you need to be facing front again. If you've mastered everything in our level 2 flourish tutorial, all this is doing is adding one more step, finding the timing of when you need to turn. Slow is smooth and smooth is fast, so make sure you're going through all the right channels at a very slow pace before you start trying to put in some speed. When you guys get this down, tag me on IG and TikTok. I'd love to see y'all's progress. Now it's time to learn some reverse grip flourishing. First thing you need to be able to do is figure 8 in a reverse grip. It's very similar to a regular figure 8, it just might take a little getting used to. And of course, knowing your OB anti-spin in a regular grip will help.
Step 1.
This is basically a half figure 8 into a star killer type pose.
Step 2.
From here your tip will go up and then arc down and thread through to the front.
And step 3.
From here, untwist your wrist back into where you start step 1.
And then from here, regular figure 8 or back into it. So, figure 8 flourish to here, then loop it through to here. From here, flip it out to a figure 8 flourish. And you can do it without the figure 8 flourish, or throw some in there in the mix.
If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more content. And tag me if you get this down, I'd love to see it. If you're feeling like a good workout, we got one for you right here, the Sith Insanity workout, super intense. Or if you want to take a break and watch one of our recent fight videos, we got that for you right here too. Hope you guys all have a great day saber flourishing, and may the Force be with you.